My name is Mario Giorgio. I'm the CEO of AIIM. My brother Frank Giorgio and I started the business in 1990. When we started out in 1990, we were strictly a printing company, an offset printing company. But over the years, we had to diversify. We were probably one of the first printing company to embrace the internet. We actually came up with storefronts that are web-based, that we do print management for our customer. We have a great reputation in the industry of being a solution-based provider rather than just a printing company.
AIIM offers everything from large format to warehouse services with commercial and inkjet printing as well. We have a vast variety of contractual clients as well as transactional clients that we service. One of our biggest challenges was, because we're such a large organization, was trying to determine which lines of business or departments were profitable. We had no MIS system was tying all our applications or departments or to the organization at a very high level. So for us to make investments in areas, we were really trying to figure out again what the return on investment would be and where the growth potential would be. We didn't have that one sync to tie everything together, so that's when we started looking for a new MIS system, and it led us to Avanti. One of the advantages we felt with Avanti was that it was a growing organization and it was a newer software that was really tailored for the way the business in the marketplace was growing, much like we were. So we found a synergy in what they were offering as opposed to some of the legacy MIS systems that were in the marketplace at the time. With Avanti's modular approach, we were able to target the modules that best fit our business, and we knew that there was an opportunity to add on as we expanded our services as well. Being mobile friendly is a great advantage. Today people work from home a lot, out of office, so everybody can log into one system and again take advantage, but it keeps the information inside that one box. Avanti has been a great conduit to tie many of the solutions that we have purchased over the years together and to drive that information back into the system and truly gauge our business. We see our sales numbers, we see what we've won, what we've lost, we know where to adjust to win the next job based on the feedback that our salespeople are putting into the system. We've invested in many front-end softwares over the years. We're using storefronts from XMPie. We're using a product called Rico Process Director, which is their workflow. We're also using a Xerox workflow that all ties back into the MIS to Avanti. So it's been quite an integration to get that, but all these softwares do talk, and again, that brings it back to that connectivity that Slingshot provides us.
We're moving from a previously homegrown MIS environment into a true enterprise level application. We're extremely happy with the product. We have no interruptions. The uptime is extremely good, I would say. The product is serving us well.
I look after all of the staff on the letter shop floor, making sure jobs are going out on time, making sure that they're getting the throughput that they need. In addition to that, I also do project management. So I'm using Avanti to create my jobs. I do estimating. From there, I send those off to the sales force, like entering all the specs for data processing, for personalization in the digital laser room, and then for letter shop. So any of the functions that they would need or instructions they would need to do their job, I build that in the estimate stage, and then from a live estimate to a live job, any modifications that happen, I make those edits into Avanti and then create an actual work ticket from that. We were working on several systems before. Now everybody uses the same system. It's a centralized place that you can go in, get all the information that you need. Like I can log into the system and see it rather than a physical hard copy. I can just log into the job number and I have all the information there for me. Customers are looking for price, so it's a quick, easy way for me to get pricing. They're also looking for timelines. Being able to say to the customer, okay, yeah, I see that your print is done. It's now in letter shop, right? So you can see in real time what's actually happening with the job.
My daily interaction is actually running the presses, overseeing all the jobs from the start to finish. I help with all the timesheets, checking them off in the system, ordering stock at times if somebody's on vacation. On a day-to-day basis, I'll be downloading files from Avanti, send them to printers, claiming materials, making sure that the milestones are complete. I can see any milestone on the job, so I know if it's completed, who completed it, what day, time stamp, because I run 24-hour shifts. With having the information at my fingertips, I'm able to look at the commitments pertaining to a stock, then I'm able to order for any print-on-demand jobs. So I'm capturing the right amount for what I need to order to minimize costs.
Fulfillment for us can be as simple as delivering courseware materials to our clients across Canada through franchises, or it can be supporting the franchise in the fast food industry and providing them with menus and rate cards and so forth. So our fulfillment services range from thousands of pieces to millions of pieces. We also do fulfillment for nonprofit organizations, and those items can be teddy bears or non-printed materials. So again, the system allows us to fulfill any type of material with any order. AIIM's contractual business is based on very tight SLAs. We run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we have less than 12 hours to deliver some of our products to our clients. We found that Slingshot is very easy to work with. We template a lot of the products. We have work orders that are specific to that product. It gives us a great opportunity to visualize and also to see online what we're doing and whether we're meeting timelines.
So we're always looking for new technology. We're always looking for, better workflows, eliminating touch points. And that's one of the reasons why we went with the Avanti Slingshot system, because we have quite a few proprietary software that we want to integrate with the Avanti Slingshot. Where we looked at the competition, they did not have an open concept. And that's probably one of the main reasons that we went with the Avanti Slingshot system. Every single individual in the operation just loves to work with the Avanti Slingshot.